life grips the soul. Chosen fragments of mankind, reforged in pain.